In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted task on Asana Full 2025 Guide, 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. Start by heading to the Asana login page. Enter the email address you use for your Asana account, then click Continue. On the next screen, type your password and click Login. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana homepage, which is the perfect place to begin the recovery process. At the top of the page, click into the search bar. A small menu will appear. Choose Advanced Search to open up the full set of filters. This is where we'll tell Asana exactly what to look for. First, set the type to tasks, so you're only searching for tasks, not projects, messages, or other items. Next, set the location to anywhere. This broadens the search across all workspaces and projects you have access to, which is useful if you're not sure where the task originally lived. Finally, adjust the status to deleted. That filter is the key. It limits the results to tasks that have been deleted. Once those filters are set, click Search to run the query. Asana will return a list of deleted tasks that match your criteria. Give the results a moment to load and then scan through the list to find the task you want to bring back. If you see many results, use keywords in the search bar or add a date range to narrow it down without changing the core steps. Click the task you want to recover to open its details. On the task panel, look for the trash bin icon. Click that icon to restore the task. As soon as you do, the task is undeleted and returned to its original project or projects, along with its assignee, due date, comments, and attachments, as long as you still have access to those areas. If you don't see the task in the project right away, give it a moment and then refresh or use the search bar again to confirm it's back. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If no results show up, double check that the type is set to tasks, the location is set to anywhere, and the status is set to deleted. Also, make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization. If you still can't restore a task, you may not have permission on the original project, so you might need someone with the right access to help. And that's it. You've successfully recovered a deleted task in Asana using advanced search and a simple restore.